Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. We're out here again in the Supercar Street Racing living room where we have something exciting to show you today. Something that follows up on another product that we already showed you, but this is a little bit of a different and bigger version of that product. We're gonna be checking that out today on Supercar Street Racing. Hang out with us in the SCSR living room right here. We're back in the SCSR living room today where we have something super exciting to show you. Yardcare reached out to us once again to see if we wanted to work with them for a third time on one of their products. And of course, I love their stuff, so I said I would definitely work with them. Now, last time we worked with them, we had a really small, light version of their robotic lawnmower, and it only worked great in yards with a little bit of grass. Would not work great in yards with heavier grass like St. Augustine we have in the backyard. And we have the new version of the lawnmower sitting right here in front of us, and we are going to be looking at that today on Supercar Street Racing. There's a lot to talk about. We got to get this out. We got to get it charged. Let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, directly in front of us is the Yardcare mower. Now this is the M800Plus in black. This is the upgraded version of the mower that we had before. This does supposedly a lot more. We will see if it can handle my grass in the current situation that it's in right now. Let's go ahead and get the SCSR scissors out and get this unboxed because we need to get it on the charger would be one thing we need to get done first. It's gonna have to charge first. And I think it has a cradle charger that it drives up to. So let's go ahead and get this open. It does have some sort of measurement device there. And here is the Yardcare user manual right here, looking so fresh, and a Yardcare valued customer brochure telling you to contact them if you need assistance. And on top of the Yardcare is a nice cardboard condom sitting over a cool looking black mower. I'm going to leave the packaging just like that because I want to be sure I can get it repackaged. All right, let's get this thing out of the box. Here's the Yardcare M800Plus inside of the packaging. Pretty cool looking. Got a bunch of cool stuff on top. Bunch of buttons here. It's got a stop button here. It's got a yard height right here. And there's a box underneath it as well. Must be a box full of accessories there. There is a cradle underneath there for this to charge in. So what we need to do now is get this thing out and get it on the cradle. I suggest we do that right here where we have a plug, or right here, might even be good. Let's pull this out. And it is a rubberized mat. Now this is the box that came with the Yardcare. I'm assuming it has the rest of the power brick. It does. It has some extra blades here, and these look like they might be yard stakes, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Here is the power brick, and I think this is part of the charger. Got a barcode on it. This has a very long cable, by the way, so if you're looking to put this away, if you need like a long extension for putting the base, and this is keyed, you can only go one way. And we already do have power. You can see the green light is on right there. All right, taking a look at the top of the Yardcare mower, I will show you all the stuff on it. So starting at the very front here, there is a camera and a rain sensor right here. There is a height adjustment. There is a control panel here which has a peel sat on it. There is a large stop button here. There is a QR code here. And these are the side chargers here, these two pads. You can go ahead and download the Yardcare app for it. Go back to the Yardcare app. We did get the mower up against the charger where it is flashing now, as you can see. There's lights on the top that say that it is fully charged. Now I'm going to go ahead and click add device on my mower. It's going to want to take a picture and connect to local devices. I allowed it to connect to local devices. Wants me to scan the QR code. The device is in the distribution network. Close to the device, and wait please. There is the mower right there. It is in range and it is under Wi-Fi. Now we will go try this in my yard, and if it won't work, I will try it on Rich's yard tomorrow. Okay, we unsuccessfully mounted the camera to the robot, but it is cutting now in random mode. Doing just fine. All right, the Yardcare did mow here for about 20 minutes. The actual yard professional will be here tomorrow. He will clean all of it up that the Yardcare didn't get, but you have to understand, you're gonna have to follow up with a trimmer on the edges and things like that. But this is designed to keep everything down to a minimum, and it did cut all of this by itself. And if I would have left it here for another 30 minutes, it would have gotten everything. Now let's go back across the street where we can show you guys how you can get your own Yardcare robotic lawnmower. Hey, what's up guys? You just saw me take a look at the M800Plus cordless robot lawnmower with GPS and 3D visual navigation. We did attempt to use it out in my yard. Not the fault of the manufacturer. The design is not designed for very, very thick grass. It has to be in thinner grass so the front wheels will sink down and it won't be able to move. We were able to successfully cut Rich's grass though with absolutely no worries at all. We did put it out there for about 20 to 25 minutes and it did go ahead and cut his entire grass. Now you can see right here, there is a Prime Day deal on, but you guys will probably miss that with this video because it will be after Prime Day. It says right here, you don't need boundary wires or RTK here, and then it says it has built-in GPS here, so it can actually figure out where to go. It's got visual obstacle avoidance, so it will actually figure out if there's something in the way and try to go around it or start over. It says it can do a 40-minute orderly and a 60-minute randomly mowing combination, and then it will return to its charging base based on the QR code scanner that you put on the actual charging base. I didn't get to show you guys that out in the yard, but all you have to do is mount your charger close to where it is mowing and it will return to the charging base with the QR code. And you can customize a schedule for whatever you need to mow on. It can climb up to a 36.4% slope. Be careful if you've got anything more than that on your yard. This thing needs obvious boundaries. You can see it right here. It needs fences, cement roads, etc. Does not work well with uncleared lawn borders or grass that's higher than 2.6 inches. It says it's got 3 high-speed cutting blades and a very robust motor, and it does use AI-powered recognition with a 135-degree wide-angle camera at the front. Now at the end of this video, we're going to show you a short little video about the M800Plus. Go ahead and check that out at the very tail end of the video. And I want to thank you guys for 222,000 subscribers. 222,192 is a great big number, and I could have done it without you. There will be a link also in the description of the video to not only the product, but to my Instagram and TikTok and Facebook entity pages. Please check those out as well and follow me on TikTok and Instagram and buy your product through the official link in the description. It helps me out great. It gives me just a few dollars here and there to keep operating the channel since I don't make any money directly on the channel. Now we have to get out of here. It's almost bingo time and I need to cook some dinner as well.